welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, it's your girl Tynafey. So today's video I decided to show you guys on how I lay down my wigs and how I slick it to look like this. So if you want to see how I slay this wig, stay tuned and keep on watching. I'm wearing Blessing Styling Castle's hair wig at the moment. This is her name, and also our website and Instagram handle and a telephone number in case you want to order your wig and look slick like me. So I'm wearing Blessing Styling Castle's hair on Instagram. This hair I'll be wearing for a long time. I just wanted to show you guys on how I lay down my wig, because I've gotten some comments on my Instagram that how do I lay down my wig, what product do I use. So basically I use Got2b. I don't use any other thing. I use Got2b. It just takes patience to make your wig lay down. Look at this wig. Can you see how natural this wig looks? Can you see how natural this wig looks like? So I didn't use any other thing. I used Got2b. It's my all-time favorite. Like, I have like 4 bottles of this thing, of this brand. And I also use this motion mousse. This is how I lay down this wig. Keep on watching this channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button down below, and don't forget to share it to your friend, to someone that wants to learn how to lay down wigs and does not know how to, and also to someone that is still learning how to lay down wigs and wants to learn how to perfect it. I got you. Okay, keep on watching, and I'll be catching you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye.